Welcome everyone. Today's video, we're going to head to B&Q and we're going to check out the summer bedding plants. It's a brand new delivery and we can finally say it's time to actually put those plants out. Here in the UK at the moment, we're having a little bit of a heat wave, so just enjoy it. Pick whichever plants you actually like the look of. As always, I'm going to give you a little bit of a care guide along the way, whether it likes full shade, part shade, full sun, and all that sort of good stuff, right? So without further ado, let's get into today's video. Starting off with these beautiful fuchsia plants then, and these are £7. Now it's worth mentioning fuchsias do like full sun, but they do prefer part sun, part shade. They will even tolerate a shady spot as well, which is worth mentioning. Then we've got some much bigger ones for £12.50, can be trained into what we call a standard, so you just strip away the bottom leaves and exposing the top. Really decent selection of dahlias still in stock, 4 for £15. That seems to be the biggest theme here at B&Q. If you're lucky enough to go over the bank holiday weekend, there was 20% off, and that holds over all the bank holidays, so just bear that in mind. So we'll keep with the theme of 4 for £15. So we've got some Bidens yellow just here, which love the full sun. We have some more fuchsias, which do like part sun, part shade. We have African marigolds, which are complete sun lover and is actually an edible flower. We have more dahlias. Again, dahlias are an edible flower. We have some geraniums in the same offer. These are a complete full sun lover, and they also don't mind it if you skip a day watering. And we've got some ivy geraniums. You can just tell the difference in the leaf just there. Several different colours in stock. We've got osteospermums for the same price, classed as a perennial, but you will need to put them in a sheltered spot in your garden in order for them to come back every year. Moving on, we've got some more geraniums, also known as pelargoniums, several different varieties, and they look fantastic, to be fair, all in the mix and match offer. As you can see, I'm trying to move through them quite quickly. We've got some chocolate ones just there and some variegated ones there as well. Again, we've got some African marigolds. Again, it's an edible flower, loves the full sun. And then we've actually got some snapdragons. These are 3 for £12. I haven't seen too many snapdragons this year, and they're really great for the pollinators. Then we've got some calendula, 4 for 14. Just there as well, and again they're an edible flower. Moving around then to the slightly cheaper selection, so we've got 4 for £11. Lobelia, part sun, part shade. Geraniums, again full sun, don't mind if they skip a day or two of watering, like it quite dry. These begonias are a shady loving plant. They actually die back to a corm and they'll come again next year. As you can see, decent selection in my local B&Q in Uttoxeter in Staffordshire. So we've got a few pansies and viola left, and then we've got some busy lizzies in the same offer. I actually really do love busy lizzies, and they will like part sun, part shade. Some Sophinia petunias, they're a real sun lover. And then some Cineraria just there as well in the same offer. This will actually take a bit of frost. You should be able to overwinter this year, then it sort of tails out towards the end of next year. Got some ivies that can be split. You can get several plants out of them. The ivies are quite hardy. Nemesia, this is a highly scented sun loving plant, part sun, part shade. And just showing you different varieties of trailing petunias just there with the slightly smaller flowers, ideal for hanging baskets because they do cascade over. And then plenty of busy lizzies in stock as well. So they've got the geraniums in the smaller offer, 4 for £11, and the fuchsias as mentioned. Marguerites have got the pink varieties, comes in either a white or a pink, absolute sun lover. Moving around, the brand new delivery brought us some Red Star Cordylines. They're not that hardy, unfortunately. They will need a little bit of winter protection. Actually got a multi-crown in there, more than one plant, for just £10.
Just interrupting this really quickly to ask if you wouldn't mind subscribing if you are enjoying it, because I think up to 85% of my views are people who are unsubscribed. Anyway, that's that out of the way. Let's get back to the video.
Salix Flamingo then, £16, slightly more expensive than B&M. B&M currently have them for around £10. These are an absolute sun lover as well. The brighter the spot, the pinker the leaves. 4 for 15 Sophinias. As you can see, the 4 for 15 are bigger. They do seem to be a bit more healthier due to being in a bigger pot. And then we've got some dahlias again there. They're just a straight £8. But you can save the corms of them and they can grow back next year. 50-50 chance whether if you leave them in the ground they'll come back. This variety is absolutely beautiful though. They make a fantastic cut flower for the windowsill. Moving on to the trays. 4 for £14, these Sweet William. Now Sweet William have actually come back in my garden. They do last a couple of seasons. Then we've got some salvias just here, which are complete sun lovers. But all these are mainly over when the frosts do arrive. Alison then normally comes in a blue or a white, quite a low grower. Then we've got some lovely verbena, something a little bit different to make a great hanging basket plant. Got some French marigolds, slightly smaller than the larger African ones. And then we've got some lovely snapdragons. Now we've really struggled to see these this year. Not too many varieties, but that is a really lovely colour. And then they're stocked up very well with the impassions, also known as the Busy Lizzies. Moving around then, we've got 4 packs, £2.25 of begonias and Busy Lizzies. Then the slightly bigger ones in stock. I mean, just look at these beautiful Sophinia petunias. I absolutely love those. More Nemesia. As mentioned earlier, Nemesia is a really lovely scented bedding plant. So you've got some white lobelia. There is 2 varieties. There's an upright and a trailer. It will say on the labels. And then lots more lovely Sweet William. Several different varieties in stock. And they do flower their socks off. Just like most of the bedding plants do, the more dead heads you take off, the more flowers they will give you. Got packs of chrysanthemums, which we'll come on to at the end of this row. And then we've got some big African marigolds. And again, all marigolds are edible. And then we've got some chrysanthemums just there in the 12 packs. So phormiums then, also known as New Zealand flax. These are £18, couple of different varieties. And the ones at the bottom are absolutely massive, nearly the same height as myself. Now I'm only 4 foot, 5'6", at £55. So lovely variegated. They are very hardy. It is worth mentioning. And then they've got a few evergreens in stock. We've got some more Salix Flamingos. We've also got some olives just here. Fairly decent size, £25. Olives are complete sun lovers and they are very hardy here in the UK. Just as I'm heading out then, still checking out the only new stuff. £7.50 for this English lavender. It really is quite nice. And then we've got the French lavender just at the top. These are in a mix and match, so you can have one of each. I'll just put them side by side so you can see the difference. Obviously the English on the left and the French on the right. Just want to take this opportunity to say I hope you've all had a lovely bank holiday and enjoying this little bit of sun that we're finally having here in the UK. Thank you so much for your support. I've been overwhelmed with the love and support on the channel, so thank you so much. If you know me, you'll know that I love Dianthus. I just stumbled on this one just as I was leaving the store. 4 for £14, absolutely beautiful. It's like an alpine rockery, absolutely lovely. and Dianthus pink kisses at the bottom just there. And these are all perennial.
There we have it. I hope you've enjoyed it, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up, as it really, really does help the channel out. Drop a comment down below, as it helps share it out to others who love gardening, just like we do. Until tomorrow, I will see you in the garden. You take care.